Hello there, Telly from Severe Weather TV with Severe Weather Outlook, with the Severe Weather Outlook for the 24th of May. Yes, so what's happening at the moment? We have Hurricane Amanda, Amanda being the first hurricane of the Eastern Pacific hurricane season, and we still have a medium chance of tropical cyclone formation in the North Indian Ocean. For the US, we have again a 15% chance of not tropical storms, tormentas, severas, whatever the word is in English, severe storms. A probability of 15% of severe storms for the next few days. I've got Spanish stuck in my head for some reason. Yes, so let's take a look at what's happening. So this is the area. This thing at one point was a high chance of tropical cyclone formation, but for the past couple of days, it's now been dropped back down to medium chance per the JTWC. And then, of course, over here, we have Hurricane Amanda. Amanda, who may well become a major hurricane. Kind of on the border. We'll talk about that. So here are some satellite images of Amanda. So luckily quite far away from land. Per the advisory from the SMN in Mexico, they are expecting strong rains and some rains, a little bit of rains for parts of these areas. Here are the spaghetti models for this thing. So not a whole, just a couple of the models showing it making it actually to land. But most of it is actually basically going to be this. Which is both, this is the ECMWF over here, this is the GFS over here. Both of these, even though the GFS looks quite impressive there for a little bit, both of these models show it dissipating basically out in somewhere in this area, which is of course what you want. You don't want it making it to land. Here's here's a graphic that shows what the different spaghetti models are thinking in terms of intensity. So one of them is showing quite possibly that it could be a major hurricane. A lot of them are, I believe 100 knots is actually the cut-off. It's either Category 3 status, 100 knots or something, I think is where they break off the threshold of whatnot for whether it's a major hurricane or not. So yes, most of them showing it being up in this general area, but one of them showing it being quite a strong Category 3. So in the United States, what is happening? Severe thunderstorm weather-wise, here's our overview for today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So basically, centered in about the same generalish area for the next few days. At this very moment, let's go ahead and refresh things to see if it's up to date. 2 different tornado warnings, one for New Mexico and one for Texas. And then let's refresh this as well. So there you go, there's an overview. So we have a severe thunderstorm warning all the way up here, and then severe thunderstorm warnings down there, and obviously a couple of tornado warnings. That's an impressive number of severe thunderstorms with that. So that's what's happening at this very moment. So in general today, here's the map showing the probability of a tornado, so just a 5% chance. I shouldn't say just is the wrong word. 5% is actually pretty high, but 45% is what you see for those really rare tornado outbreaks, just to give you some context or something. And here's the map showing the probability of 58 mile per hour and greater winds. And here's the hail map, which has the black hatched area on it. So 2 different things are shown with this. So as high as a 15% chance of some sort of severe hail. Yes, 1 inch or larger hail. The black hatched area is where the 2 inch or larger hail may, or there's something in the models indicative that the hail could be significant, which is the 2 inch or larger hail for today. So yes, here's some websites that you can go to for more information or something of the sort. And that is it for today. Have fun.